What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Anybody new? Welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about something I saw online the other day, or not online, another channel, and it was from SFR. Now, if you don't know who SFR is, SFR is a tuning company that tunes Hyundais, and what I saw was kind of disturbing, because they were trying to install the Evo 9 turbo here on a customer car. Anyway, before I go on, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Hit that notification button and hit the thumbs up or thumbs down, preferably thumbs up, if you like the video. So anyway, let's discuss what I saw, which was kind of disturbing. Actually, let me see if I can show you. Check this clip out. Alright guys, so for those of you who are thinking about getting an Evo 8, Evo 9 turbo conversion kit, there are pieces that obviously come with the kit. And the piece that I'm referring to, that obviously you saw in the clip that they messed up or cut, was this piece right here, this piece. And what they did was, because unfortunately ISR do not send directions with this kit, instead of calling ISR, they decided that they were going to try to modify the kit themselves. Now, again, it's this piece, not this whole piece. This is actually part of the Evo 9 turbo. And if you guys haven't checked out one of my other videos, you'll know that I actually ended up getting a turbo, Evo 9 turbo from ISR. I'm just waiting for it to get here. But anyway, they cut this piece and they put it down this way instead of this way. Now, there's a reason that this is like this, and this is for the Evo 9. The one that comes all the way down this way is for the Evo 8. My problem is after watching that video, is just, as you guys know, I'm building that Genesis Coupe motor right there, and I always say make sure you follow directions. Now, if something does not come with directions, don't just try to, don't try to make up your own. And that's what SFR did in this case, and then had to go back and redo this whole piece. And it's kind of one of those what not to do. It should have been called what not to do. If I were that customer, I'd be pissed to know that I went there with a certain kit and they cut it, tried to make it their own, pretty much destroyed the kit. If that person ever had to send that kit back, hopefully ISR wouldn't have noticed that. But it's just kind of one of those things where I keep telling you guys, make sure you're following directions. So in this case, make sure you're following directions, because again, this is the reason why this is bent on the Evo 9, or this goes this way on the Evo 9 turbo, is because the turbo is a little bit bigger, there's less room, so they had to actually make this piece go this way. And this is actually for the wastegate actuator. So yeah, just make sure to follow directions. And just so you guys know, I'm not trying to bash SFR, but I mean, it's just kind of one of those things. You are a tuning company. I guess you build motors and things like that. I haven't seen any of those videos. I haven't subscribed to their channel. I just happened to be going, when I was looking at keywords for my channel, and one of them had to do with the Evo 9 turbo, and I clicked on it. It actually brought me to that video, and because I was like, oh, okay, now I can see somebody else install that turbo. Yeah, no, I'm definitely not following their directions. I will call ISR myself, or GenRacer, because GenRacer sold it to me, but they are pretty good and knowledgeable and things like that, and they've had experience with these anyway. So yeah, and I know you guys are probably wondering about that box. That is the Tsudo exhaust that I'm trying to figure out a way to send it. UPS wanted 2 Plus they repackaged it, and that cost me an extra $56. I'm not going to spend $200. This block right here, the whole motor, the rest of the heads in the back there, cost me $400. That's a whole block. Why? That would have just been stupid. So I'm not doing that. I do have to put on the head, obviously, because that's obviously ready to go. If you guys didn't watch the last video, obviously I put the head studs in and things like that. Those are ready to go. I did also see that somebody asked if using a Haltech was the best option for the Genesis Coupe, and I'm gonna say it's the best option if you're building the motor and putting on a bigger turbo and things like that. If you're not necessarily building the motor and you're doing bolt-ons, like right now my Genesis Coupe is bolt-ons, meaning I'm still using the stock turbo, stock injectors, then I would suggest something like BTR, Alpha Speed. If you're brave enough after seeing that video, SFR. There are companies out there like those three that have tuning options that are less expensive, about half the price, just for the Haltech ECU, which costs about $1,500. I do have a Haltech ready to go once this is all complete and the motor's broken in and the new turbo's on and all the other fun stuff. But just, that's just a little side note there, because I think, if he does use the Haltech, it is safe, it's fine, but you're paying $1,500, then you're paying another $400 or $500 to tune something that you could have brought a pre-tuned ECU for and just put it in the car, some bolt-ons, and you would have been good at half the price. So there's my public service announcement for today. Don't be a dummy and spend money, or unnecessary money that you don't need to spend. So I do have to spray the head gasket with copper spray, and it has to sit for, no, that's the eye flush if I get it in my eyes, because I'm going to spray this in my face. Doesn't say. Hold 8 to 10 inches, blah blah blah, in a ventilated area, yeah, I don't necessarily want to put on the head today at the moment. Ideal for exhaust manifolds, cylinder heads, and turbocharger flanges. Oh, I will be using this on the turbocharger flanges. Anyway, so yeah, and don't laugh at the opening part of this video with me on a skateboard. Yeah, I used to do that. I mean, I can try to do it now, but don't laugh. If Lisa sees me doing this, she's gonna come out here, and if I fall, she will laugh, even though she's a medical professional. But I'm gonna do this anyway, because I used to love the skateboard, and guess where I found this? In my trunk. Of the Whoa! You want facial reactions? Let's try this again. Look, I can do this. See, look at that. Look. Car. What the skateboard is for is just in case I get stuck somewhere and I got a skateboard, or I need transportation. I know, I'm just kidding. That was for when I had the SRT4, actually, because I used to break axles and be nervous and crap like that. So I gotta check out something in my yeah, it's a mess in there. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. is this right here. It's Meguiar's California Gold Showtime. And the reason why I want to show you that is because I was actually using, where is it? It's probably in the car, or I tossed it. I was using something else, like turtle wax or something like that. And I don't have it. I tossed it. And what I was finding was, it was actually leaving streaks on my car. If you guys watched the last video, my car was kind of dirty and I needed to do something quick, so I actually used the Meguiar's and it actually came out really well. Actually, it's a little bit dusty because I drove the car, obviously, but this is, I mean, it's still a little bit dusty, but this is after, that's before, because obviously I missed some spots, but I needed the car to look clean. So if you're ever looking for something, or if you guys know something better, try this. It's actually pretty good. And you guys want to come and clean my trunk out? I keep the stock ECU in the car too. I don't know, again, I get nervous with just stuff happening, so, you know, don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Chromatic head gasket. So I just want to kind of test this just to make sure I'm going to be putting it on right. So, and then what I'm going to do eventually, maybe now, I don't know, is spray this with the copper spray, put it on the block, put the head on, bolt the head down. Probably not torque it down yet, but at least have it, you know, all the fun stuff. But SFR, I'll be following the directions correctly. So guys, it is important to test fit where possible. This is one of those moments. Just had to make sure that when I put this on, that I was going to be putting it on in the correct places. Obviously, there's dowel pins on this side. There's a dowel pin on that side, a dowel pin on this side, and you should be able to see where, you know, where everything is supposed to sit. Now, I do know that I have to put a little bit of gasket sealant, I think here, all along here on the inside of this. I don't know why. I'm assuming it's because you're gonna have oil splashing, and it's just I don't know why. I'm just making stuff up there. But the directions say it, so I'm gonna do it. The directions don't say I have to use copper spray, but I'm gonna do it. So again, so I'm following directions, and so what the directions say is I have to put gasket sealant here and here, here and here. I don't know if you guys saw my hand. Yes, you did. I don't know why, but the directions say to do it, so I'm gonna do it. It's just weird to me. I guess it's I don't know, Hyundai thing maybe? I don't know. See how easy that was? Now I gotta wait a few minutes, let it dry a little bit, and then put it on. Yeah. Oh, and then I obviously have to put the gasket maker on, then put the head on. This is a fun process, but again, gotta do some things correctly. Well, not things, you should be doing everything correctly. SFR. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, as soon as that dries, I'll put everything. So if you guys haven't used copper spray before, it's basically to help with like improved heat transfer and hot spots. Because with things like an engine gets very hot, obviously a turbo gets super hot. So it's good that I've read that as far as being able to use it on the turbo flanges and stuff like that, because that is a part that gets hot. And copper spray, at least that version, is good from minus 50 to 1500 degrees, so I think it'll do the job. Alright guys, as you guys will notice, my head gasket is now copper color. Just so you know too, it's adhesive, so it's obviously sticky. So try not to get your hands on the surface too much, because you want to make sure it does adhere properly and things like that. So I'm going to put the head on. I'm going to bolt the head down but not torque it yet. I just want to get it on so everything will set, and then I'll probably come back tomorrow or something and torque it down, things like that. But yeah, it's coming together, guys. I can't wait for this. I might have to become you know, a Hyundai engine builder and just build monsters. I think that's what I might do with the engine that's in the Genesis Coupe, is really take that one down maybe a year or two from now, really take that one apart, re-sleeve it with and just go nuts, and see, again, I want to see how far we can go with a Hyundai, with a Genesis, and where we can take it, just everything, because everybody's still sleeping on Hyundai, even though you know, I had somebody you know, ask me my thoughts about the new G70 coming out. I can't wait for that car. That's probably the, other than like maybe a supercar if I can ever afford one, and again, never getting rid of the Hyundai Genesis Coupe, don't get it twisted, but that G70 is something I would probably definitely think about getting. And they've got it in manual, son, stick shift, for you youngins that don't know what a stick is. No, not this type of stick either. God, this is just so exciting, just to be able to have the head on again. Hey, K&N, because K&N was the one who sold me this block. It's coming together. I told you I was going to get it rebuilt and things like that. It's coming together. Let me know what you guys think. I know I still have work to do, obviously, but I'm really excited about this. I might cry. Not yet. I'm not done. Not even close. So I'm going to end the video here today. For today, I'm obviously gonna do what I'm gonna do here and things like that. Yes. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think about this video. You know, let me know what you guys think about. I think I put the SFR clip in. If I didn't, oops, sorry. But let me know what you guys think about that whole debacle. You know, it's kind of scary. You know, obviously they were learning, I guess, but sometimes it's just good to call the company and ask questions. Women are good for that. Guys, we're not good for that. Guys, we gotta get on that and make sure we're doing that. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this video, and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you like it. You know, and if you're new to the channel and haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Channel's growing. I'm happy to say one of the YouTubers I actually watch, another one, that Martini guy, welcome. He actually hit the subscribe button, and I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to all of you, but especially him, just because I've watched him for a year now, and if you guys haven't checked out his channel, check out that Martini guy, because he is hilariously funny. He's like, he basically calls people out on their bullshit, as well as, you know, other things like discussing cryptocurrency. Thank you, because mine's starting to get up there a little bit. And you know, and just, he's a generally cool dude and a hilarious dude. So you know, make sure to check him out. Check out other YouTubers as well. Again, hit my subscribe button, because I want you guys to enjoy this. So until next time, thank you for watching, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.